So TA 101 Engineering Graphics. So first this basic outlines of this course. The objective of this course to learn basic engineering drawings, advanced topics of engineering drawings in other courses. For example, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, mathematics, physics, almost all branches of engineering they need engineering drawings or engineering graphics course. So basic course content. So basic engineering drawing, what are the need and different tools, drawing paper, pencil, drafter, set squares, French curves, then lettering and drawing, geometric constructions. Geometric constructions means parabola, ellipse, curves, different geometric constructions. Then first part is your orthographic projections. In this orthographic projections we will cover introductions, projections of objects, isometric projections and drawings, perspective projections, then principles of dimensioning, how to do the dimensioning of any object, sectional views, machine part, assemblies. Next part of your course content, space geometry. In space geometry, development of lateral surfaces of simple solids, lines and planes, auxiliary views, true length and shapes, intersection of lines and planes, intersection of solids. Last one is your computer based graphics or laboratory classes. Now drawing instruments and materials required in this course, instrument box containing the following minimum items, a large compass and a bow compass, large divider, bow divider, a good quality drafter, a pair of set squares, protractors, scale, good quality drawing pencils. Generally you should have 3 sets of pencils, 2H, H, HB and leads for H or HB, sharpeners, sticking tapes, 2 files, green for laboratory assignment, pink for home assignment, 2 pads, plain A4 size and second one is your A4 size graph sheets, A3 drawing sheets and 1 black sheets, preferably in a black in color. Now what are the sizes of your drawing papers? Standard papers in India, generally it is called A series, 1:√2 size, different sizes A0, A1, A2, A3 as well as A4 size. Now if you come to your drawings, this is a typical A3 drawing sheet. In typical A3 drawing sheet, if you looked at your typical drawing A3, then there is a title box. This is called your title box. If you look at this title box, generally you write it, your institute, then your course, TA 101, name, signature, date, section and roll number. The title block has dimensions, complete dimensions. First one is your 10 mm, 10 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm and 8 mm. Size is your 120 mm, but base width is your 120 mm. Draw guidelines 2 mm from top and bottom. Guidelines should be 2 mm from top and bottom. So how it looks like in a drawing sheets once you come to the class, first you prepare your title box, write name, roll number and sign it, put your signature, then write what is your topic, what topic you are doing. Suppose you are doing lettering, you write it lettering. Suppose you are doing orthographic projections, you write it orthographic projections. Then types of pencil leads. If you look at here, different types of pencil leads are there. So different types of pencil leads, if I classify into it, varies from 9H to 7B. So first one is your between 9H to 4H, this is your accurate constructions, it comes under hard. Then generally for drawing purpose, this will be varying from H, 2H and HB. Generally these are all your general drafting or general drawing, it comes under your medium. Then 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, these are all artistic applications. These are called as soft pencil leads. So, you will have to H, 2H as well as HB pencils to bring for your drawing class. Then another part is your scale. So, before starting your drawing, you have to go for a scale. Generally, scale is your m by n. M by n is your linear dimensions in the drawing and corresponding actual linear dimension. So, full size is 1:1. If I want to enlarge means actual dimension is suppose x by x, I want to show it in enlarged view in the drawing. Generally, you have to write it 50:1, 20:1, 10:1, 5:1 and 2:1. Reduction scales generally we write it reverse 1:2, 1:5, 1:1000 or 1:100. Generally in drawings dimensions are always in millimeters, unless otherwise it is not specified. You assume whenever there is a questions, you assume these dimensions are in Books, so reference books, French book Graphic Science and Design 1984, then Vought, ND Vought books are ND Vought in India is also there, you can collect it. French and Foster 13th edition, new edition 1987 is also available. These are the book references, you can follow this book. Generally primarily I am teaching from this book French and Foster 1987, revised 13th editions 1987. Other books it can be used as a reference book, you can follow it up. So technical, before coming to drawing class, carefully plan the layout. Once you are in drawing class, carefully plan your layout of the drawing on the sheet. Place and arrange various drawings and their parts. Generally in drawings, we follow third angle projection scheme, unless otherwise it is not specified. Later on, I will explain what is first angle, what is third angle projections. In third angle projections, unless otherwise it is not specified, you generally follow third angle projections. Then can be different, choose appropriate scale for drawing in an exercise as I said earlier. Then use good quality of pencils. Then these are the pencils, grade 2H pencils as I said earlier. Constructions lines, end projectors, hatching, dimensions lines. Generally it has been done by means of your 2H pencils. Then grade H pencils or H pencils, particularly for objects lines, lettering. HB pencils, lettering and sketching. Grade 2B pencils, generally freehand sketching or artistics. This is all about introductions of your engineering graphics or TA 101 course. Then first part of this course is lettering. Generally in engineering graphics, in general normal life, you are writing lettering. You are writing your name, you are signing, you are writing letters. While drafting also, drafting essay or drafting a letter. But here in engineering, lettering has to be followed proper procedure. If I look at the pencil strokes, one is alphabets A, B, C, D, other is your numbers. Numbers is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start with your alphabets. Look at this, how the pencils you can put it. Acute angle strokes of the pencils. Once you keep your, if it is your drawing sheets, drawing paper, you put your pencils in acute angle. This will save the paper from tearing. Suppose if I put my pencil like this, then it may possible that it may tear the drawing paper. The moment you put it like this, so this is acute angle. So in this way you can draw smoothly. Stroke the pencils in the acute angle directions as I said. Look which is right and which is wrong. If I want to write it W, how I am going to write it? There are two examples. If you want to write a W, how you are going to look at the strokes. look at the strokes. Now in this W, first you are preparing one stroke, then second, then third, then fourth. But if you are writing in reverse way, the way I said, it is wrong. It will tear your paper. Then we will start one by one. These are all general guidelines. It will eventually, once you are going to write your name, roll number, your anything, any write-up part you have to do by means of pencils, by means of lettering, with a proper stroke. Suppose this is capital A and this is small a. How I am going to write capital A? Look at the sequence. The A is looking like this. Now the sequence is, this is my first stroke, second stroke, then this will be your third stroke. Similarly B, look at the B. B is your first stroke, second stroke, then first stroke, second stroke, then third stroke. It completes your B. Look at this C, how I am writing this C. First part of your stroke is this way, look at this, this is half, almost more than half part, then you cover with this another part, this cover your C in engineering drawing. Then come to D, first part of your D is a simple stroke, stroke 1, then D will be covering this way, this is your D. Similarly E is very simple, stroke 1, 2, 3 and 4. First one is your vertically, this is first one. If I write it E, look at very carefully, this way, this. This is the writing, particularly in engineering drawing. Now write it F, how it follows, first is like this, then this, then this. So these are all sequence, these are all guidelines how to write it, alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, then similarly G, similarly I, J, then similarly K, then similarly L, then look at the M, then N, O. O is typically, it covers, O is, if you look at here O, first part of your O is this way, then completes this way. Sometimes in normal practice we are writing O like this. This is, as far as engineering drawing is concerned, this is not correct. So you are writing O this way, then second stroke will be this way. This completes your O. Then P, typical P, this will be easy, then Q, this will be, then R, stroke 1, stroke 2 and stroke 3. If you look at your R, how do I write the R? 1, 2, then 3. Sequence of your R. Then S, then T, then U, V, as I said W earlier, this is your W, then X, Y, then is your Z. So similarly these are all your uppercase, similarly lowercase also you can do it for A to Z, A to Z for lowercase. Then come to the numbers. In case of numbers, look at how this one pencil strokes, first one, then second one. I cannot write in engineering drawing this is 1, this is wrong. It may be a normal practice to write 1 like this, but the moment I am writing in pencil in engineering graphics, 1 is, this shows the 1. Number of strokes, if you look at first this, then second this, first this, then second this, 1. Similarly 2, Similarly 3, look at this 3 how it has been started. 3 it is going 1, leave it, then other second stroke is coming this, then this is your 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, look at this 9, if I make it, this is a complete circle, so I can make it this, then here I will start here, then it covers by this completes the 9, then this is your 0. So these are all requirement while doing your drawings in engineering graphics. You should know this lettering, because once you do it at the end you may write title box, you may write question number 1, you can write it projection number 1, you can write your title box, name, roll number, then you have to follow not by pen, by pencil, practicing you can write it your lettering. So over the period of time this lettering will be practiced by yourself. So as the days progress, so lettering will come automatically for the way it will be for engineering graphics. Thank you.